Hello there, we're going to do the heat of fusion of water. Lab 17 is the handout, so we're going to do this one together. So let's go to the lab. We're going to measure what happens when we add ice to water in a coffee cup calorimeter. So remember, calorimeters measure heat transfer. We have a coffee cup with a lid. We have a thermometer. We have a stir, always mixing. We have ice on this balance. And so we're going to click on the lab book so we can have can get our data. We'll move this around so you guys can see. Go. All right. And we clicked on the lab book, so I'm on step 2. Now we're going to record the mass. So we're going to zoom in here so you can see. Record that mass of ice in your data table. And then we're going to zoom out again. There's 100 mils of water in here. I'm on step 3, and there's density that you need to use in this for an equation. The stirrer is on. We're going to click the temperature window, and we're going to click save so we get the data. We're going to go to a new page here, and we'll get data for this. We're going to let 20 or 30 seconds go so that we know that we're equilibrated on our water that's in here. And so we get an initial temperature. Remember, we're always going to do final minus initial on this. We're going to grab the beaker, put it into the calorimeter, close the lid, stir, 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 and we're going to keep going until the temperature gets to the lowest temperature possible. So we've got to wait a little bit for that. So it looks like we're coming back up. We'll hit stop, hit accelerate. And then we're going to have our data here. So I'm going to pause for a sec, get the data for you so that you can do all the analysis and conclusions based on the data that we have. Okay, here's the data for lab 17. Let me get it ready for you. Okay, again, here's the lab data for lab 17, the heat of fusion of water. So I'm going to scroll down, and you're going to get the initial temperature, you're going to get the lowest final temperature, and you're going to do final minus initial for your delta T. So find the lowest temperature in this data set. Use that lowest temperature so that you can do the rest of the analysis on pages, do 42, page 43. And you'll turn that in to me for your lab report. Thank you. Bye-bye.